Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. In this puzzle page of the weekend edition, yes, it's Saturday, Sunday, July the 13th, July the 14th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles. The 4-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, so two puzzles remain. The tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. And yes, it's binary time. This one. Tomorrow, in this newspaper, we have not so good news. Because in today's newspaper, in the weekend edition, there's no extra puzzles. So tomorrow on Sunday, only the Samurai Sudoku. Alright. Let me start with this one. Binary puzzle with 4 stars. Number 8895. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, where's my pencil? Yeah. This one has 23 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. There's a lot of double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, 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 here one, there one. And now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Now the double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Let me see. Yeah. I know. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row, in the last row. Not like one of the rules, so this came in O. This should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Okay. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need there also. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. If I place the 5th one here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Okay. So it could be here, could be there then. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Same for here, O and a 1. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's we have here. Wow. Could be in one of these 3 boxes. Okay. Yeah. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules of this game, this should be a 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between is always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have here double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are 1s, double 1, here no, there no. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's, double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's, double O, here 1, there 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules for this game, this should be a 1. Yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah, so question is it time for comparing? Is it time for comparing? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have 1, 2 rows completed. Yeah. How about this double O? Do we have a double O here? No, this is not the same. So cannot compare this column. So I need to compare the rows. O10 do we have? We have 1, 2. 1001 and 00101. Here we have a 1001. 01. Alright, yeah. This row and that row. Okay. 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Okay. Well, but it's not helping me here. Need to compare again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and now 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. 011. Do we have a 011 here? No, I cannot compare this one. About 0011. No. This one. About this one. 1100. Here we have a double O, double one, and this is double one here, so I cannot compare this one. Alright. Well, this one, O11. Here we have also an O11 here. Will be difficult, will be difficult, will be difficult. O11. Okay, 11001. Okay. How about this one? O10. I overlook something. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Okay, now I know between a 1 and an O with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Between two 1s comes an O. Okay. Now, 1, 2, 3 rows. We have a O11 here. O11. No. O, double O. Cannot, no. Maybe the columns now. Do we have a double one here? No. Well, will be difficult here. I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And now, yeah. Or the rows or the columns. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Finish, 12 minutes. Well, we solve again. Only one time comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle in this puzzle base. Until then, bye bye for now.